This is a demonstration of the EQDIR interface on my Atlas EQG that I'm selling. That's this device here between the serial cable and the serial port. I actually decided to forego the purchase of the go-to controller in favor of just getting a netbook and the EQDIR interface, which allows me a much more effective control over the telescope. As you can see, I've already brought up the open source EQMOD ASCOM device driver here, and I can tell it to, I've already began communicating with the telescope, and I can tell it to unpark. Once I've done that, I begin doing an alignment. So all you really need to do is use cart do seal, as I happen to be using here, and we'll tell it to go to that object, and it will begin to slew. Really, for the price of the go-to controller, you can actually get yourself a nice netbook instead. Have something actually you can use much more effectively than just the go-to controller. Okay, once we're in the vicinity, you'd of course do your normal alignment as you would, and then you would tell cart do seal to sync the object, and then confirm. And then you go find another object to go align on. And away it goes. Actually, since most of the newer laptops and netbooks do not have a serial port on, I actually use a relatively inexpensive USB to serial interface here, which works nicely. So now I've slewed to my next guide star, and then I would just simply tell it to sync again and confirm, and there you get the idea. And then of course you'd want to do potentially maybe 3-star alignment, but then it's just a simple matter of pointing and clicking where you want to go, and you're on your way. Much more effective interface than using a traditional Atlas EQG go-to controller. Now another neat feature of this interface then, and the ASCOM interface, is you can use things like a PC game controller to actually control the telescope, which is really cool. Believe me, the kids love that when you go to outreach. And that is a basic demonstration of the go-to capabilities in the Atlas EQG that I'm selling, using the EQDIR interface and a inexpensive netbook computer. Thanks for checking it out.